Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Here's a Card, and this is the sweet little floral card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Here's a Card, and we're going to be using the sentiment, "You made my day." I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. And I have a Flowers for Every Season Designer Series paper. And then I have the layering rectangles. And I want to center them. So just like that. I also have a piece of Whisper White, and then I'm using the smallest rectangle here. This one is a little off, so alright, I think that will work. Run this through. Well, that didn't come out exactly as I wanted it. Let's go ahead and run that through again. And cut off just a small piece, but I want it to look really good. So. All right. All right, so that is the outer edge. All right, so just like that. We can start putting this card together. I have Bumblebee Classic Stampin' Pad, and we're going to get our small piece here, and that's mounted on clear block B. And then just stamp it here in the middle, just like that. And then I have my card base, and this is Whisper White Thick, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So I'm going to come in with my adhesive. This stuff is super sticky. I love it. Alright, so we will center this on here, just like that, and then I am going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. pull the backs off quickly. Alright, so then we are going to put this in the center of our card, just like that, and then we're going to pop our sentiment up as well. I think I just used 2 dimensionals for this one. And we'll put that right in the center. And then I have my enamel dots. These have quickly become my favorite accessory, this catalog. So I'm going to put one here of the moonlight, misty moonlight. And there you have it, a quick and simple card to make someone's day by telling them they made your day. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!